Hello student, now we are going to discuss about geography paper first, that is lithosphere. Unit 3rd, Introduction to Identification of Rocks and Minerals. Definition of rock. The term rock includes not only the hard and compact masses of the Earth's surface, but also finely disintegrated material of the earth such as sand and clay. The substance formed of one or more minerals and a part of the earth's crust is called rock. A rock is any mass of natural deposit which forms the solid part of the earth's crust. Then the mineral. Definition of mineral. A mineral is a naturally occurring inorganic substance that usually possesses a definite chemical composition and characteristic atomic structure. All minerals that are hard and soft form the earth crust. Commonly, the term rock is applied only to those materials of the earth crust that are hard and resistant. But in the strict geological terms, all materials, whether hard or soft, that have formed the crust are known as rocks. They contain hard, massive, and resistant rocks like granite, marble, as well as soft materials like silt and clay. The earth crust is composed of different rocks. These rocks vary in their characteristics like hardness, texture, porosity, chemical composition, etc. Some rocks are very hard, for the example, granite, while some rocks are soft, for the example, shale and clay. The rocks like limestone are highly porous, while granite and sandstones are non-porous. Chemical composition of the rocks differ from one another. For the example, granite is made up of quartz, feldspar, and mica. Limestone is made up of calcite. A mineral is a natural product and it is formed by inorganic processes. It has chemical composition and ordered internal atomic structure. Few of minerals have formed the rocks. The most important rock forming minerals are silica, chlorides, sulfides, uh, oxides of iron, and carbonates. Then the classification of rocks on the basis of formation. On the basis of origin, the rocks are classified into three types. These are igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks are classified into extrusive rocks and intrusive rocks. Sedimentary rocks are classified into organic and inorganic. Then metamorphic rocks are also classified into contact metamorphism and regional metamorphism. Igneous rocks. The word Igneous is derived from the Latin word ignis, meaning fire, are those that were formed from the cooling of hot molten material known as magma. Formation of igneous rock. Igneous rocks are formed from solidification of molten material known as magma. These rocks have made near about 95% of the Earth's mass. Igneous rocks were the first rocks that became solid and so formed the outer layer of the earth. Hence, they are also known as primary rocks. अग्निजन्य खडकांना प्राथमिक खडक असं सुद्धा म्हटलं जातं. The rock material exists at a very high temperature below the solid crust of the earth. The material is under enormous pressure. When this pressure is relieved, this rock material becomes liquid and tries to come to the earth's surface. It finds an outlet along the lines of weakness, like joints and faults. The solid rocks formed from the cooling of magma or lava are known as igneous rocks. Then the classification of igneous rocks. The igneous rocks are classified into plutonic rocks, hypabecal rocks, and volcanic or extrusive rocks. प्लुटोनिक रॉक्स म्हणजे पातालिक खडक, हायपॅबिसल रॉक्स म्हणजे उपपातालिक खडक आणि व्हल्कॅनिक ऑर एक्स्ट्रसिव्ह रॉक्स म्हणजे बहिर्गत खडक. प्लुटोनिक रॉक्स. These rocks have solidified deep down in the earth. The cooling process of magma is very slow and hence there is time for crystallization of the different minerals. Thus, the crystals in these rocks are large. They are also known as intrusive rocks. अंतर्गत खडक. प्लुटोनिक रॉक यांना अंतर्गत खडक असंही म्हटलं जातं. These rocks are compact and coarse in texture. These rocks can be seen only after long and continued erosion. Granite is the example of plutonic rocks. Diorite and gabbro are coarse grained igneous rocks made up of feldspar and one or more ferromagnesium minerals are the other examples of plutonic rocks. These are found in enormous masses. They are known as batholith. In India, they are found in the states of Rajasthan, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. Hypabecal rock. Sometimes the magma enters the cracks, faults, and joints of other rocks of the earth's crust and cools down. Due to the cooling of magma, the rocks are formed at a shallow depth beneath the surface of the earth. On the basis of the sets of the rocks, they are commonly divided into dike, sill, and sit. Dike, भित्ती खड़क. When the magma is trapped in vertical joints, lies vertical joints, these rocks are vertical in shape, like pillar or wall. They are called dikes. Then sill. When the magma enters horizontal joints, the rocks are formed along horizontal direction. If they are considerably thick, they are known as sills. Then sit. The formation of sit is similar to that of sill, but these rocks are thinner than sill. Then volcanic or extrusive igneous rocks, बहिर्गत अग्निजन्य खड़क. When the lava reaches the surface of the earth and comes in contact with the cool atmosphere and solidification takes place. Due to the volcanic activity, lava is poured out on the earth's surface and these rocks are known as volcanic rocks. Owing to rapid cooling of lava, crystallization is also rapid, and so crystals in these rocks are very small in size. Basalt is the best example of volcanic rock. The northwest part of Deccan Plateau of India, comprising large areas of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Karnataka, are made up of basalt. This region is also known as the Deccan Triangle. Okay, next time we will continue. Thank you.